I recently met someone who told me something interesting. He said, I haven't used any AI tools. I'm not great with technology either. And honestly, he's not alone. A lot of people hear about AI every day, but still don't know what it really is, which tools matter, and how to start using it. So, today's episode is simple. No jargon, no hype. Just AI basics for everyday people. What is AI? Let's keep this simple. AI is software designed to perform tasks that normally need human thinking. Things like writing, answering questions, summarizing information, generating ideas, organizing ideas, and helping with decisions. Think of it less like a robot and more like a smart assistant. It won't replace your brain, but it can help you work faster and think more efficiently. What AI tools should beginner try? See, if you're starting from zero, keep it simple. Number 1, ChatGPT. It's great for asking questions, writing emails, getting ideas, learning topics quickly. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, write a polite email asking for a meeting. Secondly, Microsoft Copilot. It's useful if you already use Microsoft Word or Excel or Outlook. It can help draft content, summarize notes, and organize work. Thirdly, Google Gemini. Good for users already in the Google ecosystem. Useful for search, writing, and productivity tasks. How to actually use AI? Here's where many beginners get stuck. They think AI is technical. It isn't. You simply type normal questions. For example, you can ask, explain pensions in simple language. Plan a 3-day trip to Edinburgh. Give me healthy meal ideas under £30 a week. Rewrite this email professionally or summarize this article. That's it. No coding needed. No technical background needed. Just ask clearly. Let's look at 3 beginner rules to remember. First, don't trust every answer blindly. AI can be wrong. Always use judgment. Secondly, be specific. Better questions usually get better answers. Thirdly, use it to assist, not replace thinking. AI is best as a helper, not a substitute for common sense. So as I close, if you've never used AI before, start small. Ask one question today. Use one tool. Solve one problem. Because the biggest barrier for most people isn't intelligence. It's simply getting started. Thanks for listening to 360 Degrees Data Podcast. And here's one question I want to leave you with. What task are you still doing manually that AI could help with today? I'll see you in the next podcast.